In life, we practice different ways to stay safe. But in these cases, earthquakes can happen at any time without any notice. And being prepared for an earthquake will make a difference in being able to protect yourself, your family, or even in your home in the event of earthquake. And here are some tips on what to do during an earthquake drill. Drop down onto your hands and knees immediately. This position protects you from falling but still allows you to move it if necessary. Take cover under a sturdy table or strongly supported doorway, or keep head cover with a solid structure. Watch out for falling objects and keep calm and don't panic. Hold on to your shelter or to your head and neck until the shaking stops, and be prepared to move with your shelter if the shaking shifts is around.